Hello. So welcome back. Yeah, so let's see what's happening. So we see we try into this 4H fair value gap. So this fair value gap is the form of a CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So that, and also to the left we were having this BC, merely we trade below it. So any return into this level should again hold price going lower, as we know. So this BC and also CB, so IFVG and also this fair value gap, we simply trade into that and we see what's happening. So the sensitivity around that. Mm. Yeah, so let's see. So on the 15 minutes, this is what you're having. So we traded into that level, also above the true day open. And right now, I want to see what's happening. So remember, guys, Thursday is normally a reversal day. So if at all Wednesday created high of the week, then today needs to be a reversal. I mean, a continuation of whatever price did here. So you guys can see the levels that we marked, both of them, the 3 quadrant level, tagged the two, was this the 2.5 level? I mean, the 2.5 level tagged the 3 level. Price failed to, did not reach there. So we took out that buy side and we had this, yeah, a little bit of a consolidation and then ripped lower. Mm. So right now we are having this. We don't know if there's going to be more volume, but then let's just wait and see. If there's no volume, then we'll just know. We'll still know. So we've tried into that and we can see that nice rejection. So again, we're having this fair value gap down here. We want to see if it can, what it can do. So on the 5 minutes, again, we are having this on the 5 minutes. Mm. So guys, for a better experience, just check YouTube. This stream is also on YouTube, so if you want to get a better experience, check out my YouTube channel. So we are having the trade into that 4H level at 2. So that's great. And then give us this. So we're waiting to see if it has the ability to continue lower or what it wants to do. So these are the ones that are leading. Wait and see. So let's say if we can break above this high and maybe close higher, So that's your shift, and I want to target this high. I mean, want to see if it can take out this buy set, and the next level is this breakup, I mean rejection block. So let me look at the 5 minutes. What are we having on the 5 minutes? Okay, 3 minutes. We also have a fair value gap here. Still this high remaining. So once we take out this high, I want to see if it has the ability to trade into this rejection block. Oh. Mm, yeah, sikuingia PM session, nilikuwa nimechoka. Kama ulizishika nice, tutaziangalia baadaye. Yeah, so it was some nice, I mean, shots. So kama ulishika, that was great. So there's a minor buy side liquidity tumeichukua. So I wanted to see if it can expand into this, how do we call it? There's a rejection block. But let's wait. So if it doesn't, then so this happened. And this level was that 4H fair value gap. So our higher time frame fair value gap. 4H fair value gap. And so we trailed into this level during what time? So 2M, so around 224, we trailed into that. So anyone who went short here and probably scaled their stop here, right now stopped out. So once they have been stopped out, so let's now see. Again, this level is that two-day open. So these are very important price level, two-day open. So again, trade back into that two-day open, and now we are trading below it. So let me see what the Six Sister is today. We've also taken out this high, this short-term high. So that's good. And what's this level? That amount. Okay. Yeah, so it was this BC. Help price wants to try above it. So it's okay. So we took out this buy side, failed to take out this Simbaya. So we've had this shallow pullback, failed to hit this BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So failed to take out this. I mean, not to take out, to fill in this level. So now, does it have the ability to trade into this? Okay, so it's like now you're coming to this level. Trade to one. Yes, suspension block unrespected. Okay, space and Q. So, are you seeing suspension block? I mean, from my side, from my end, I can see that. Okay, it's like we are having. So let me check. Again, I can see suspension block. So we've hit the. So not yet. So that rejection block. That's what I'm looking for. Let me look at what gold is doing. Gold is really dirty. So if you want to trade gold, just avoid. But then if you want to go short, then try your luck. But then this is dirty. Okay. In as much as it's really slow, it's like the volume is not too much, but then whatever we can get, you know. So we've hit that rejection block, and if at all I was in this trade, I could have taken something off there. Again, we are trading back into that 4H fair value gap, this one. So first level hit, our second one. Oops. So yeah, I'm saying if I was long here, I could have taken something off there. There's a red level. Measuring gap, above measuring gap. So above, it's okay. So this is the measuring gap. So to space NQ is telling me there's a suspension block somewhere, but then to me, I mean from my chart, it's like I'm not seeing it. So if you saw that, nice, that was good. So if you fail to take out something here, yeah, there's a pullback. So right now, those traders who went short here, so we've really frustrated them now. Okay, so after frustrating them, if at all they scale their stops here, you've taken that out. If at all they were using this level, so measuring gap, we've driven them crazy till this point. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm just reading price as if I was the market maker. So simply everything I could have done. So support and resistance, okay. And there we go. So again, I said for a better experience, for a better view, we also live on YouTube. So that for each fair value gap again. So there's 1H fair value gap. We're also having that level on the 4H. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is good. Fair value gap. So guys, let me tell you something. So I still normally say that, I mean, whenever you're trading London session, okay, whenever you're trading London session, so I normally say that at 2, okay, so at 2 a.m., so there's 2, wait for price trading to key, I mean, higher time frame PDRA. So there's the 1H, I mean 4H or 1H fair value gap, CB in form of a CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So we trade into that at what time? 2:15. So most people went short here. Yeah, so went short here. So who knows why this, I mean, why it did not materialize? If at all you know why it did not materialize, I mean those shorts here, those traders went short. Why were they not, I mean, why did this trade not materialize? If someone knows, you can just answer. Yeah. So I've been talking about these things each and every single day. Yeah. So if at all you know, just feel free. I mean, there's a safe space. There's a safe space. As you're watching with me, you're also learning. So just feel free. Just feel free. Why is it that these shorts did not materialize? Yeah. Those traders who went short here. Yeah, I still say 2 a.m. Wait for price to trade into a key premium array or discount. So if it trades to higher time frame premium array, then start looking for shorts. Okay, if at all you went short, why did your shorts not materialize? That's the question I'm asking. So if you're also watching from YouTube and know the answer, you can just answer, okay? So it's like no one knows. No one knew. So does it have the ability to trade above this high? because right now those traders went short, their stops are resting above this. If we can just dip into the consequent encroachment of that week, that would have been nice. But then right now, all those traders went short. We've really squeezed them. Yes, we've really squeezed them. And if we can rip above this one more time and now take them out completely and tell them that so it's 341, 341. Okay. Tuambie. So even watu wa YouTube pia wajui, like acha tuone after tumechukua hiyo buy side kwanza ndo tuongee. Oh, so time 42, 342. So the next 15 minutes candle, that will really tell us a lot. Okay, so the next 15 minutes candle is going to tell us a lot. Yeah, so those traders that went short, you're now murdering them. So why did you go short? Why did you go short here? Why? So we've taken out their stops. So if at all I was in this trade right now, I could have taken around 80% of my positions and now scale my stop loss. Slightly below this rejection block. So if at all it comes and takes me out, I'm good. Yeah. So this is a rejection block. So guys, I promise you, if you can stay here with me for close to 3 months or just 2 months, in a span of 2 months, trust me, you'll learn a lot more. You'll learn so many things. I'm gonna buy. Can I close? So let's look at the 15 minutes. So remember the market, oh, okay, I did say don't close entirely, but at least take some. Okay, I don't know which platform you are using, but if you can take partials, well and good. So what was your target? Are you trading RR format, let's say 1 to 2 or 1 to 3? So if at all you're trading RR mode, format, this can be your signal to get out of the position. But then if you feel like you can still hold, then make sure your trade right now is it's scaled. Okay, so 5 minutes. Let's see. See the way it's rejecting this week. So that rejection, we don't have any full body close. It's rejecting. If it breaks below this one and also below this fair value gap, then just be satisfied. So below this, so I was saying I'll put my stop loss below this rejection block, because if it can breach all of these levels and trade down here, then I'm wrong. But then why not just take the full, from this low, let's say you waited for this, entered maybe here, took out that buy side liquidity, just be done. Just low hanging fruit objective. Plus, it's not like there is too much volume. Yes, I was saying if I was this trade, my partials, so contracts, some contracts could have come out here, and then here 80%, 80%. Then my stops, I'll scale them slightly below this. You see there's rejection block, this level, purple shaded area. So I don't want to see price trade below this, because if it can trade and close below this, then that means that this fair value gap is a BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So it's supposed to hold price going higher. But then if we can trade below it, like the way it's doing there, that means that now price it wants to start printing different thing. Okay. So nilikuwa nimeuliza swali. Why, on the 15 minutes, so I still normally say if you want to go, if you want to bearish, so 2 a.m., wait for price to trade into a key premium or discount array. So trade into that 4H fair value gap at 2 a.m. Okay, at around 2:15. Why is it that these shorts did not materialize? Why? So now, right now, because we have taken out that buy side liquidity, oops. So this level it's rejecting for now, but not for a long time. Yeah, so right there, any more positions that were remaining, I could have been stopped out. So I did say, so these next 15 minutes, it's going to tell us a lot. So if at all the new range that wants to form, mark here, we've taken out the buy side liquidity. So any trader that went short here, we've taken them out. And after taking them out, now this. So there's fair value gap, there's a BC. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So let me mark it that way. We traded and closed below it. So let me now remove this. So if I was here, if I was in this trade, anything going higher right now, my positions, right now would have been taken out on that stop that was killed. And I want to see. Again, it's like it's trading now into the true day open. So let's look at the 5 minutes. What do we have? So 5 minutes also, there's BC, there's two small BC. We've closed below it. So any push out into this, we want to see this level, try and hold. So right now we violated 1, 2, and now the third PDRA. That on the 5 minutes. On the 3 minutes, we're having this order block on the 3 minutes. So this order block here, given as a fair value gap here, and we trade into 4H fair value gap, a premium price level, taking out this buy side liquidity. So that's good. So on the 3 minutes, we also, on the 1 minute, we also having this order block. So we also having another fair value gap up here. Yeah, so if you're not having a good experience with this the recording, you can check YouTube. So on YouTube we are having, we are streaming live on YouTube also. So right now I really wanted to see it trade into this. The consequent encroachment of that 4H fair value gap. So I really wanted to see that. So this 1H candle is closing the next 20 in the next 5 minutes. Again, revisited that high, that fair value gap, and also we're having this IAVG also. So IAVG fair value gap, that. So if we can close above this level, then we'd love to see this level hold. Okay, let me check the daily time frame. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, nice. Okay, so that, it's like this level is promising to hold. So if it's going to hold, Yeah, so that level is holding. So again, fair value gap, try into it, and then so guys, pa, pa, pa. So I'm ending the live now, and yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. Let's now end the live.